The Milky Way Galaxy, a vast cosmic city of 200 billion stars, and our only home in the cosmos. We live in a quiet neighborhood far away from the galactic center, from the violent explosions of stars in the cosmic nursery where new stars burst into life. The Milky Way has it all. We always studied that Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. But have you ever asked yourselves how scientists found out that it actually is a spiral? Or how did they even manage to take a photo of the Milky Way from within the galaxy? Welcome to the journey through the billions of miles in space, and time to find out how our galaxy came to be, and how scientists can take those unbelievably amazing photos of the Milky Way Galaxy with the current technology. Modern cities and new technology are some of the greatest accomplishments of human civilization, feats of engineering that dazzles with millions of lights, but the bright light can seal something more amazing. Turn them off to watch the great city in the sky, the city of the stars and planets. Well, this is our Milky Way Galaxy. Our sun is just one of the 200 billion stars that makes up this city. Well, in the last few decades, we've made some marvelous achievements in space travel. We've explored the first planet, Mercury, to the last, Pluto. Our technology has even gone outside our solar system. NASA's Voyager probes are some of the spacecrafts that flew beyond our solar system to uncover the mysteries of our cosmos. Our spacecrafts, launched in 1977, are still functioning and transmitting data back to Earth from billions of miles away from our solar system. Even at this moment, traveling across the Milky Way is just one of the dreams that won't be accomplished within this century or even next. Like it or not, we're still ancient apes when it comes to space travel. Our Milky Way Galaxy was originally a very small galaxy. What we see now is the collision of three galaxies over the course of billions of years to make one big galaxy. Milky Way Galaxy is moving at the speed of 600 kilometers per second towards the Andromeda Galaxy in a collision course. More on this later. Milky Way Galaxy was formed about 13.6 billion years ago, and is almost as old as the universe itself, which formed around 13.7 billion years ago. We have taken hundreds of photos of other galaxies from our planet, but to take the photo of our own galaxy, we don't need to travel outside of our own galaxy. It's like taking a photo of the entire planet of Earth while still being within the Earth. Launched in 1977, the Voyager 1 is the furthest probe from Earth. It's traveling at the speed of 61,000 kilometers per hour. Even at this speed, it would take the Voyager 1 about 562 million years to reach outside the Milky Way Galaxy. So, how did scientists actually give us this photo? To answer this question, we need to look back in our history. Research on our galaxy has been going on from the Aristotle period. Galileo Galilei was the first to discover that the galaxy was a bundle of stars, black holes, nebulas, and planets. In 1785, British astronomer William Herschel divided the sky into 600 parts, counting the stars in each region to draw up a map of the structure of the galaxy, also called a Herschel map. In 1900, Jacobus Capti did some research and confirmed that the Herschel map was correct. Later in 1910, astronomer Henrietta researched the luminous nature of the stars and made a structure map of our galaxy. Then in 1917, Harlow Shapley did some exploration and said that we and our solar system is not at the center of our galaxy. We're too far from its center. Well, at first no one believed him. But eventually, after some years of research, it was confirmed to be the truth. Then in 1920, Edwin Hubble explored the space with his telescope to discover that there were countless galaxies in the universe, and we are living in one of them. Thus, research on the galaxy continued. Today, astronomers have found out the entire structure of our Milky Way Galaxy, and where we are in it. If you only live inside a house, you'll never know how the house looks like from the outside. But by examining the interior structure, you can get a basic idea. Also, when you open a window and observe another neighboring house, you can figure out how your house might look like. It might not be the same, but you can get a basic idea of your house. Similarly, there are billions of galaxies around us, and by examining those galaxies, scientists predict that our universe would also be in a certain shape. Most of the things on the universe are of two shapes. One is spherical and the other is a flat disk. Based on our research, planets, stars, asteroids are all in a spherical shape, and galaxies are normally flat. So it seems certain that our Milky Way galaxy is also in the shape of a sphere or a flat disk. With the help of more than 50 years of continuous research and observation of the movement of stars, their radiation, rotation, scientists have made a map of our galactic structure. Also, they continuously researched and updated where nebulas are and where new stars were forming. Of course, no one has ever photographed the Milky Way galaxy ever. It's just artwork. But it's not just imaginary artwork. It has been drawn with precision, from data that has been collected continuously over the years, based on the mathematical calculations and accurate observations. Our Milky Way galaxy is a spiral galaxy and has several arms around it. Our solar system lies in the Orion arm of the Milky Way galaxy. We're about 26,000 light-years away from the galactic center. Just as our Earth orbits the Sun, so does our solar system orbit the galactic center. Our solar system takes around 214 million years to orbit the center of the Milky Way galaxy, with the approximate speed of about 500,000 miles per hour. So far, the Sun has only orbited the galactic center for 18 times. At the very center of our galaxy is a massive black hole called Sagittarius, more than 1 billion times massive than our Sun. A recent study has found that one of the arms of the Milky Way galaxy is broken, which may be due to a collision with other galaxies. When Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan sailed through the southern hemisphere in the 16th century, he and his team were among the first Europeans to report on circular cluster of stars in the night sky, according to the European Southern Observatory. These clusters are actually small galaxies that orbit our galaxy. Like our Earth has satellites, galaxies also have satellite galaxies. Our Milky Way has 2 satellite galaxies, small and large Magellan clouds named after the Portuguese explorer. Scientists predict that in the future, our galaxy may collide with our neighboring galaxy Andromeda. Well, this will take billions of years, but yeah, let's answer you right away that there won't be any big collision or fireworks. This is because of the distance between stars. Although stars appear close to each other, but the distance between them may be billions or trillions of miles from each other. The closest star to our Sun is Proxima Centauri, which is about 25 trillion miles away. And scientists mentioned the merging festival of these two galaxies won't happen overnight. It would take billions of years. Only a few hundred stars out of the trillions of stars in the two galaxies are likely to hit each other. We are in the safest place in the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is tucked away by 2 major spiral arms of our galaxy. It has remained relatively unchanged for billions of years, giving us lifetimes for our existence. We continue calling the Milky Way our home until the end of time itself. Back in history, we used to think that our Earth was the center of the universe, and everything else is rotating around us. Well, now we think that we're in one of the obsolete arms of a galaxy that is nowhere near to the center of the universe. So where exactly is the center of our universe? We've made another video on that topic. Links in the description if you want to check it out. Lastly, thank you so much for watching our video. If you find any value in this video, consider liking and subscribing. All bits and pieces helps. We're grateful for all our subscribers who enable us to create and publish videos for free for everyone. We hope you learned something new about our Milky Way galaxy today, and we will continue to come with something new next week. Until then, take care and goodbye.